Good morning, students. Now come again to chapter number 4, rational numbers, with the new topic, subtraction of rational numbers. Let a by b and c by d are two rational numbers and we need to subtract them. So a by b minus c by d. So we can write it as we are adding a by b and minus c by d. If c is negative, and we are adding, so what will happen? Plus into minus will be minus. Same it will be as. So we can write a by b minus c by d as we are adding a by b plus minus c by d. Or we can say that it is additive inverse of c by d, means additive inverse of any rational number. For example, here we are taking as c by d. So additive inverse of c by d will be, it will be minus c by d. Additive inverse of 3 by 4 will be minus 3 by 4. Additive inverse of 2 by 9 will be, or minus 2 by 9 will be 2 by 9. Means we'll just change the sign of the rational number, that will be the additive inverse of that rational number. So we can write it minus c by d, we can write it as additive inverse of c. Minus c by d is additive inverse of c by d. Okay, not additive inverse of c by d. So we can write it as like this. Now the second case is if we are subtracting like this, a by b minus c by d. So when we'll open the bracket, what will happen? Minus into minus will become plus. So it will be a by b plus c by d. Now come to the exercise 4D question number first. Find the additive inverse of. The first one I have done. We need to find the additive inverse of 5. So we'll write additive inverse of 5 will be minus 5. So we'll just change the sign of the rational number, that will be the additive inverse of that rational number. In the same way, see the sixth one, it is minus 18 of 9, minus 18 upon minus 13. So these minus will be cancelled. So it will be 18 by 13. So additive inverse of 18 by 13 will be minus 18 by 13. And 0 has no sign, we know that. If in question no, it is there in the question 7 of first, 0. So additive inverse of 0 will be 0 only, no plus sign, no minus sign. Now come to the question number second. We need to subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So it is written, we need to subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So first we will write 1 by 3, then put minus sign, then write 3 by 4. So we can see here the denominators are different. So we need to find the LCM. So write here, make line and write LCM. Find the LCM at the side of the copy. Here you will find the LCM by yourself and then write LCM at the bottom. And then we will think we'll take the first rational number and see its denominator is 3. So 3 how many times is equal to? The LCM is 12. So we know that 3 4 times is 12. So we'll multiply this 4 to numerator. So numerator is 1 here. So 4 into 1 or 1 into 4. Now see the second rational number. Before that there is minus sign. So here also we'll put the minus sign. Then see the second rational number, denominator is 4. So 4 how many times is 12? 3 times. So we will multiply 3 with the numerator. So numerator is already 3 and we are multiplying 3. So 3 into 3. We can skip this step. I just have done to explain you. Okay. So 1 4 time will be 4 and 3 times will be 9. Now we can see the one number is positive, second one is negative. So we'll do the subtraction. It will be 5 and 9 is greater than 4. If 9 is negative, so answer will be negative. So required answer is minus 5 by 12. Now come to the next one, question number 10 of second one, there we need to subtract 5 from minus 3 by 5. So we are subtracting from minus 3 by 5. So first we'll write minus 3 by 5, then minus 5, and there's nothing in the denominator of 5, so we'll write here 1. Then you will find by yourself by taking LCM. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 3 you will do by yourself. It is same as question number 2. Now question number 4, subtract the sum of minus 36 by 11 and 49 by 12 from the sum of 33 by 8 and minus 19 by 4. So we need to subtract the sum of these two from the sum of these two rational numbers. So first we'll write these two, means 33 by 8 plus minus 19 by 4, the sum of these two. From these from their sum we will subtract, so we are putting minus sign here, and then we are writing the sum of the first two rational numbers, means minus 36 by 11 and 49 by 22. So we are finding the sum of these two, and then we will subtract. Okay, now we'll find the LCM because these are unlike rational numbers. So rational LCM of 8 and 4 will be 8. So we'll write here 8. Now 8, how many times is 8? 1 time. So we will multiply 1 with the numerator, so it will be remain 33. 1 into 33 will be 33. Now see the second rational number 4. Denominator is 4. 4 how many times is 8? 2 times. So 2 into 19 will be 38. So we'll write here 38 and put minus sign as it is. It will be minus 38. Now this minus will come as it is. Now see the sum of these two. So we can see the denominators are unequal. So we'll find the LCM of the denominator. So 11 and 12 LCM will be 22. So we are writing here 22. Now we'll think 11 means first denominator is 11. 11 how many times is 22? 2 times. So 2 into 36 will be 72. Minus sign will come as it is, minus 72, plus 22 how many times is 22? 1 time. So 1 into 41 means numerator. So 1 into 41 will be 40. 49 will be 49. Okay, now we'll open the bracket. 33 and there was plus minus. Plus into minus will be minus here. So we'll write here minus sign only. Now see here. Here we are opening this bracket minus 72. It will be minus 72 as it is. We have opened the small brackets which are inside the bigger brackets. Now we'll go ahead. The same step I have written here. So now we will solve the numerators. 33 minus 38. So we can see one is positive, one is negative. Do the subtraction and it will be 5, and 38 is bigger, it is negative. So answer will be negative. So minus 5. Again here minus 72 plus 49, will do the subtraction. Answer will be negative because 72 is bigger and it is negative. So it will be minus 23. Now we will again we have two rational numbers and we need to subtract them. So again we will find the LCM of 8 and 22. It will be 88. You will find the LCM at the side. Okay. Then 8 how many times is 88? 11. So 11 into 5 will be 11 into minus 5 will be, it will be minus 55. So that it is written here. Now see the second. 22 how many times is 88? 4 times. So 4 into minus 23 will be 92. Minus 92. Now we'll open the bracket. These smaller brackets we are going to open. So minus 55 will be minus 55 as it is. And here minus into minus, it will be plus. Now we have minus 55 plus 92 in the numerator. So one is positive, other is negative. So we'll do the subtraction. It will be 37 and 92 is bigger, it is positive. So answer will be also positive. And denominator will be as it is, remain same. So this is our required answer, 37 by 88. Now come to the question number 7. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 3. If one of them is minus 15 by 7, find the other. So the sum is given of two rational numbers. One rational number is given and we need to find the other rational number. So first we will assume let the other rational number be x. We are assuming it as x. So sum means minus 15 by 7 plus x is equal to minus 3. The sum is given minus 3, so we'll write as it is. Now we need to find the value of this x to find this is the other number that we need to find. So we will transpose this minus 15 by 7 towards right hand side. So when it will move towards right from left, it will be positive, means its sign will become changed. So now what we'll do, we are transposing this, it will be positive 15 by 7. Now we'll solve these two. So here minus 3 by nothing is there, means 1 is there. So we'll find the LCM of 1 and 7, it will be 7. It is written here. So 1 how many times is 7? 7. 1 7 times 7. 7 will multiply with the numerator. So minus 3 into 7 will be minus 21. So it is written here. Then after plus sign will come as it is. 7 how many times is 7? 1 time. So 1 into 15 will be 15. Now we will solve these. So minus 21 plus 15 will be minus 6 and denominator will be same. So this is our required answer, minus 6 by 7. Now come to the question number 16. What should be subtracted from minus 3 by 4 to get 1? So we need to subtract from minus 3 by 4. So we are assuming let the required number be x. We are subtracting x from minus 3 by 4 to get equal to 1. So we'll writing the same thing, minus 3 by 4 minus x is equal to 1. Now we need to find the value of x. But here we can see x is negative. So we'll transpose this x towards right hand side and it will become positive. Now we can see x is positive. Now we will transpose this 1 towards the left side to find the value of x. Okay. So when 1 will move towards left, so it is positive at the right. When it will be there in the left, it will become negative. So now we need to solve this part. So here I have done at the side. Here you can see find the LCM. There is nothing in the denominator of 1, means there is 1 in the denominator. 1 by 1 is the number. And first we will find the LCM. So LCM will be 4. So 4 how many times is 4? 1 time. So 1 into numerator means minus 1 into minus 3 will be minus 3. Now see the second denominator, it is 1. So 1 how many times is 4? 4 times. So 4 we will multiply with the numerator. 1 into 4 will be 4. So now we have minus 3 minus 4 in the numerator. See the next step are here. Next steps are here. So minus 3 minus 4 will be minus 7. Denominator will be as it is, minus 7 by 4. So we can write it as x is equal to minus 7 by 4. So our required number is minus 7 by 4.